We'll guide you through how to connect, set up and use the DJI Mic Mini on an iPhone using Bluetooth. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Using Bluetooth can be really convenient as you can go and connect the mic directly to the iPhone without needing the receiver. So it saves you from having to go and use it. So it's just easier for packing and things like that. Now there are some disadvantages to this, which I'll run you through after we go and set up the connection. But for now, let's go and get right into this. So let's go and put down the receiver. So here we've got the mic. So first of all, we need to go and turn on the mic. So go out and find the power button. As you can see, here it is. Hold it down for a couple of seconds until it starts the light here. Now what we need to do is go and put this into Bluetooth pairing mode so we can go and connect. To do that, you go and hold on the link button to go and tap and hold that for a couple of seconds until it starts flashing blue like this. So now you can go and see that it's in pairing mode. So what you need to do is come onto the iPhone and open up the settings. Go and find the option for Bluetooth, and then it should go and appear in other devices pretty shortly. As you can see, there it is. You can then tap on it and you can wait for it to go and connect. So we're now connected. The light is now solid blue. So now for the disadvantages, Bluetooth audio isn't quite as good as if we go and use a receiver. I found it just doesn't sound the same. You can always go and test that. Also, the mic won't work in all apps. For example, it won't work in the default camera app. You need to use a third-party one. There's a list online for the compatible apps which you can see which this will go and work in.